Ever had a moment where you're expecting a crucial e-transfer, but it's nowhere to be found? Maybe it's because your Koho e-transfer email is out of date. Don't worry, you're not alone. This happens more often than you think. And guess what? You're in the right place to fix it. We're diving deep into how to change your Koho e-transfer email. It's a simple process, but it's easy to get lost in the Koho app's maze. So, grab your phone, get comfy, and let's get started. First things first, why would you want to change your Koho e-transfer email? Maybe your old email is compromised, or you simply want to consolidate your finances. Whatever the reason, it's essential to keep your financial information up to date. Now, let's talk about the two main ways you can receive e-transfers on Koho. There's the unique Koho e-transfer email, which is automatically generated for you. This is great for one-off transfers. Then, there's the auto deposit feature, which lets you use your personal email for all incoming e-transfers. We'll cover both methods, so stick around. Changing your unique Koho e-transfer email. Unfortunately, you can't directly change your unique Koho e-transfer email. It's automatically generated and linked to your account. However, there's a workaround. If you want to stop using this email, you can simply ignore it and start using the auto deposit feature instead. We'll explain how to set that up in a moment. Setting up auto deposit. This is where things get interesting. Auto deposit is a game changer. It allows you to use your personal email for all incoming e-transfers. Here's how to set it up. Open your Koho app. Navigate to the Add Money section. Tap on e-transfer. Scroll down to Personal and select Set up Auto Deposit. Enter the email address you want to use. Verify your email by clicking the link in the confirmation email. That's it. Once verified, all future e-transfers will be sent to your chosen email address. Important notes about auto deposit. You can only have one auto deposit email linked to your Koho account at a time. If you want to change your auto deposit email, you'll need to deregister the old one first. Troubleshooting common issues. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. Here are some common issues you might encounter and how to fix them. Not receiving the verification email, check your spam folder. If it's not there, try resending the verification email. Incorrect email address, double check the email address you entered. Even a small typo can cause problems. E-transfers not arriving, ensure the sender has entered the correct email address and followed the e-transfer instructions correctly. Additional tips. For extra security, consider using a dedicated email address for financial transactions. Keep your Koho app updated to the latest version for optimal performance. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Koho support for assistance. And there you have it. Changing your Koho e-transfer email might seem tricky, but with these steps, you'll have it sorted in no time. Remember, keeping your financial information up to date is crucial. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.